Have you ever looked at your bank account and realized that saving your way to wealth is mathematically impossible? You are not alone. Most people who want to build a passive income stream look at dividend investing and immediately fall into a very specific and very dangerous trap. They see a company offering an 8% dividend and think they have found the ultimate shortcut. They calculate that they just need a bit over $1 million invested to make $100,000 a year. But there's a quiet flaw in that logic, a flaw that completely destroys most beginners' portfolios within 5 years. The truth is that building a massive dividend portfolio from scratch has very little to do with high dividend payouts. Today, we are going to explore a deeply misunderstood financial concept called yield on cost. It is a completely different way to look at wealth generation, and once you understand the mechanics behind it, the traditional advice of chasing high payouts will seem entirely backward. Let us look at why everything you might know about dividends is slightly wrong. Chapter 1: The High Payout Illusion. When most of us start looking into dividend stocks, we sort the options by the highest payout percentage. It feels like common sense. If you want $100,000 a year, a 10% payout gets you there twice as fast as a 5% payout. But in the financial world, an unusually high payout is almost always a distress signal. Companies do not pay massive dividends because they are generous. They pay them because their underlying business is struggling to grow, and they're desperately trying to keep investors from selling their shares. Think of a local restaurant that suddenly starts offering free meals every night just to get people in the door. It might be great for you tonight, but that restaurant will probably be out of business by next month. The same logic applies here. These companies end up slowly cannibalizing their own operations to pay that dividend until the money runs out. Eventually, the payout gets slashed, the stock price crashes, and your initial investment is wiped out. This is the yield trap, and avoiding it is your first real step toward true wealth. Chapter 2: The Dividend Growth Engine. If chasing high payouts is the wrong move, what is the alternative? The answer lies in a completely different category of businesses known as dividend growers. These are healthy, expanding companies that pay out a very small percentage of their profits, sometimes as little as 1 or 2%. At first glance, a 1% return sounds terrible. You would need $10 million to hit your goal at that rate. But here's the secret that wealthy investors understand. Because these companies are keeping most of their profits, they're aggressively reinvesting in their own growth. They're opening new locations, developing new products, and dominating their markets. As their profits climb year after year, they also increase the total cash they pay out to investors. So while you start with a tiny return, that payout amount is consistently growing by 10 or 15% every single year. You're essentially partnering with a machine that is programmed to make your income stream larger every 12 months without any extra effort on your part. This brings us to the most magical math in investing. Chapter 3: The Magic of Yield on Cost. To really understand how this builds a $100,000 income, we need to talk about yield on cost. This is the ultimate metric that separates impatient beginners from wealthy veterans. Yield on cost measures your current dividend income against the original amount of money you invested, not the current stock price. Imagine you buy shares in a growing coffee company for $100 and they pay you $1 a year. That's a 1% yield. But over the next 10 years, the company expands globally and massively increases its profits. They keep raising their dividend, and eventually they're paying out $10 per share. Because you only paid $100 originally, your personal yield on that initial investment is now 10%. You did not have to buy a risky, struggling business to get a 10% return. You just had to buy a great business and let time do the heavy lifting. Some of the best investors in the world sit on personal yields of 30 or 40% just because they held on to growing companies for decades. Chapter 4. The Snowball Phase. Now we take that growing dividend and inject it with a heavy dose of compound interest. When you're building this portfolio from scratch, you don't spend those early dividends. You automatically reinvest them to buy more shares of that same growing company. This creates a beautiful, accelerating snowball effect. Your growing company pays you a dividend, you use that cash to buy another share, the next year the company increases its dividend payment per share, and you're also getting paid on more shares than you had last year. You're stacking growth on top of growth. Imagine planting a single apple tree. The first year, it gives you one apple. You plant the seeds from that apple. The next year, the original tree gives you 2 apples, and your new tree gives you 1. You plant all those seeds. Within a surprisingly short amount of time, you transition from planting individual seeds to managing an entire orchard that expands entirely on its own. Your journey to $100,000 accelerates massively during this phase because your money is working exponentially. Chapter 5. The Ultimate Inflation Defense. One of the quietest fears any long-term planner has is inflation. It's the invisible force that slowly erodes your purchasing power. If you fall into the trap of buying a stagnant company just for its high 8% payout, you're in serious trouble. That 8% might look nice today, but 10 years from now, when the cost of groceries and housing has doubled, that flat income stream won't cover your bills. Your $100,000 goal will suddenly feel like $50,000. This is where dividend growth companies become your absolute best defense. Because these businesses are strong, they can raise their prices when inflation hits. When they raise their prices, their profits go up, and their dividend payouts go up right alongside them. Your passive income stream actually grows faster than the cost of living. It's like having a salary where your boss automatically gives you a raise every year that perfectly outpaces inflation. You're not just preserving your wealth, you're actively expanding your real-world purchasing power every single year. Chapter 6. The Capital Appreciation Bonus. There's a massive hidden bonus to this strategy that nobody talks about when discussing passive income. While you're hyper-focused on building that $100,000 dividend stream, something else is happening in the background. The actual value of your portfolio is exploding. Remember that these companies are growing their profits year after year. As their profits go up, the stock market naturally values the companies higher, so the share prices go up as well. If you buy a risky company with a huge payout, the share price usually slowly drops over time, eating away at your initial savings. But with dividend growth businesses, your original investment might double or triple in value over a decade. By the time your income stream reaches your goal, you'll likely look at your account balance and realize you're sitting on a multi-million-dollar nest egg. You get the best of both worlds. You get a massive, reliable cash flow that you can live on, and you preserve a deeply valuable asset that you can pass down to the next generation. Chapter 7. The Roadmap to True Wealth. Building a $100,000 dividend portfolio from scratch is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a test of patience, psychology, and emotional control. The math is guaranteed to work if you give it enough time, but the hardest part is simply getting out of your own way. You have to resist the urge to chase flashy numbers. You have to ignore the financial news cycle that tells you the sky is falling. The blueprint is incredibly straightforward. Find outstanding businesses that have a long history of increasing their payouts. Invest a portion of your income every month, reinvest the cash they pay you, and let the magic of yield on cost take over. You're building an engine that will eventually replace your salary and buy back your freedom. The first $1,000 of income will feel painfully slow, but the last $10,000 will happen so fast it'll shock you. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding do what it does best. Your future self will be incredibly grateful you decided to plant those seeds today.